Hi, today I want to show you how to use the corner effects as a transition between the screencast and the camera recording. I'm using the version 2104.2. The current version is the 2112.1, but I have some difficulties in copying keyframes, so for the demonstration I go back to the older version. I already prepared 2 video clips, and so I drop it here. So you can see I'm doing the presentation on the screen and on the phone. So I was recording the screen and with the camera view at the same time. So the other clip is basically the screencast, and you can see the audio is exactly the same. So I need to sync the audio. You can use the shift key to switch off the snapping, then you can adjust it in details. If you don't have some mark in the audio track, you can adjust it by the video as well. You have to go to here and select the MultiTrack View, and it will show you the 2 tracks on the same screen. Okay, now they are pretty good. So let's turn off the sound of 1 track because we don't need 2 audio tracks. Now I want to look at which point I want to show my laptop screen. For example, here there's a message coming up on my phone. I want to show this on the screen, make it bigger. So let's go to the effect, search for corners, and drag and drop, put it here on my screencast clip. So add a keyframe here. Then look for the point I want to show the camera view again. So for example, when I turn the phone to landscape mode, I want to show it here. So I want to switch it back, put a keyframe here. Let's stop the multi-track view. Now we need another keyframe, just a little bit away from the keyframe just added to make the transition. I put it here, and another one here. Okay, then let's go to the first keyframe and modify the corner effect. At the moment, as you can see, you can't see the corner here. For some reason, I need to disable it and put it back. Then you can see the corners are back. So in order to drag the corner easily, I have to zoom it out. So I can click on the corner here. So put it here. And this one is outside of my screen. I have to put it a little bit there. Okay, zoom it in for a little bit fine tuning. So now my screen is on there, but the problem is it's already start moving. That's not what we want. Let me mark it here. We want to show the screen in this section. Then I have to copy the frame to here, select the second keyframe here, and at the end we want to show the camera view again. So we go to the last keyframe and press Ctrl and select this keyframe. So it's a little bit hard to see. You can see here is a red keyframe. Here is a red keyframe. They are both selected. Now I'm going to the first keyframe with the corner effects. Here, select this icon. This is apply the value to the selected keyframe. We got 2 marked as red. They are selected. Now copy it. Now it's coming the boring part. We have to select all the values here. I don't know why there is no select all here. Okay, so basically we have copied the value from the first frame to the second one and to the last one. Hopefully that works. So you can see as I move it to the next one, there's nothing happening, and all of a sudden from here you can see it's popping up. And go to the last one, it's going back here. So but when we are showing the camera view here, we want to see the real screen, so let's move this here. So we can see here this one is a real screen, and then the end here, just cut this away. Then we move it a little bit back here, so you can see this is a full screen. Okay, let's have a look at the final render. So you can see the screen pops up, and then you can read the details on the screen. Let's go back here to the camera view. So let's go back, and I think this is a very good way to do a transition between screencast and camera recording. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.